So this one is articulated foot. These are tarsals. Okay, tarsal bones. These are metatarsals and these are phalanges. Okay, and the tarsal bones, this one is talus, this one is calcaneum, then this one is cuboid, and these are three cuneiforms, and in between cuneiforms and talus, this boat shaped bone is navicular. Okay, now see again, this is talus, calcaneum, cuboid, three cuneiforms, and this one is navicular. This one is navicular. ठीक है. So now see the articulation. Talus with calcaneum, talocalcaneal joint. Now can you see here? This is talus and this is calcaneum. In between talus and calcaneum there is a gap. This is called sinus tarsi. Sinus means gap between two tarsal bone. This gap is sinus tarsi. Axis for this eversion and inversion. Axis for eversion and inversion passes through this sinus tarsi. Okay. Okay. So now this talus articulates with calcaneum and anteriorly with navicular. So this joint form is talocalcano-navicular joint. Talocalcano-navicular joint. Okay. This calcaneum articulates with cuboid. This bone is cuboid. It forms calcano-cuboidal joint. Calcano-cuboidal joint. This calcano-cuboidal joint, it is a saddle shape of joint. It is a saddle type of joint. And talus and navicular, it is ball and socket type of joint. Talus and navicular. ठीक है. These are metatarsals. Metatarsal का base and heads of metatarsal. See here, this rounded heads of metatarsals. Head articulate with the phalanges. This one is plantar surface. Plantar surface में this is calcaneum. Plantar surface of calcaneum. This one is talus. Head of talus. Navicular. Cuneiforms. And this one is cuboid. Calcaneum and cuboid. ठीक है. लेटरल साइड में क्यूबॉइड होगा, मीडियल साइड में क्यूनिफॉर्म्स होंगे. देन दिस इज ग्रेट टो का. दिस इज ग्रेट टो. दिस फर्स्ट metatarsal. This first metatarsal has got two sesamoid bones. Head of first metatarsal, वहाँ पे these are two sesamoid bones. These two sesamoid bones, these are present, these are developed in the tendon of flexor hallucis brevis. Flexor hallucis brevis. ठीक है. This is dorsal surface and this one is plantar surface. And this portion, this posterior portion, this is hill. This is hill part, posterior surface of calcaneum. यहाँ पे attachment होगा which ligament? talocalcaneal ligament. This ligament is talocalcaneal ligament. Sorry, ligament नहीं, tendon. Talocalcaneal tendon, called Achilles tendon also. Talocalcaneal tendon or Achilles tendon. ठीक है. Now we'll study the individual talus and calcaneum. Talus and calcaneum. First, talus. Now see here, talus. This is superior surface of talus. Superior surface. This one is head, followed by neck. Body of talus. Body में this is superior surface. This one is inferior surface. Then this one is medial and this one is lateral surface. Okay, lateral surface, articulation with lateral malleolus. So this is a triangular facet for lateral malleolus, and medial facet, this comma shaped medial facet, it is for medial malleolus. ठीक है. ये सुपीरियर सरफेस, दिस इज हेड, नेक, बॉडी पे सुपीरियर आर्टिकुलेटिंग फैसेट. दिस वन इज मीडियली कॉमा शेप articulating facet for medial malleolus. This is medial surface, and this is lateral surface, triangular articulating facet for fibula, lateral malleolus of fibula. Then head has articulating facet for navicular bone. Then this superior articulating facet, lateral and medial articulating facets, this lateral and medial, these are for malleoli, and the superior one, it is for the inferior surface of tibia. This one is for inferior surface of tibia. ठीक है. Then inferior surface पे this articulating facet, these three articulating facets are, these are for calcaneum. These are for calcaneum. ठीक है. And you see here sulcus, or in the over the inferior surface there is a sulcus over here. This is called sulcus tarsi. Sulcus tarsi. ठीक है. Sulcus tarsi. This is calcaneum. Calcaneum का this is superior surface. This one is superior surface. This hill portion is posterior, this is anterior, and this is superior. And plantar surface, it is flat and irregular. Flat है, articulating facet नहीं है, but it is rough. Superior surface पे articulating facets है. And can you see here this gap? This is again sulcus tarsi. So this sulcus tarsi एंड दिस sulcus tarsi, इन दोनों का जब आर्टिकुलेशन होता है सो इन दोनों के बीच में गैप होगी, दैट गैप इज कॉल्ड साइनस टार्साई. ठीक है. ये जब आर्टिकुलेट होगा एक दूसरे के साथ तो इनके बीच में जो गैप होगी दैट इज कॉल्ड साइनस टार्साई. दिस इज कॉल्ड साइनस टार्साई. ठीक है. सो नाउ टैलस हो गया. टैलस में हेड, नेक, बॉडी, सुपीरियर सरफेस, दिस इज लेटरल सरफेस, कॉमा शेप, मीडियल सरफेस, देन inferior surface. Inferior surface पे sulcus and articulating facets for calcaneum. Calcaneum में this is superior surface, सुपीरियर सरफेस पे आर्टिकुलेटिंग फैसेट्स है फॉर टैलस. एंटीरियर सरफेस पे हियर आर्टिकुलेटिंग फैसेट फॉर क्यूबॉइड. दिस वन इज फॉर क्यूबॉइड. पोस्टीरियर सरफेस पे दिस अटैचमेंट ऑफ टेंडन टेंडोकैल्केनियस. कौन सा टेंडन होता है? टेंडोकैल्केनियस, अकिलिस टेंडन. यहाँ पे अटैचमेंट होगा. देन इंफीरियर सरफेस इज प्लांटा सरफेस. प्लांटा सरफेस पे यहाँ पे एक ट्यूबरकल होता है, एंटीरियर ट्यूबरकल, और 2 मीडियल एंड लेटरल ट्यूबरकल. ठीक है, दिस वन इज प्लांटा सरफेस. यहाँ पे प्लांटर लिगामेंट्स अटैच होती है. सुपीरियर, एंटीरियर, सुपीरियर, पोस्टीरियर एंड इंफीरियर सरफेस. अब लेटरल और मीडियल सरफेस. जो मीडियल सरफेस होता है वहां पे शेल्फ लाइक प्रोजेक्शन होगा. मीडियल सरफेस पे देयर इज अ शेल्फ लाइक projection which is called sustentaculum talli, which is called sustentaculum talli. Sustentaculum talli which supports the talus. यहाँ पे जब talus articulate होगा तो ये sustentaculum talli support करेगी talus को. And this is a bony shelf like projection from the medial surface. It is called sustentaculum talli. Sustentaculum talli के नीचे ये जो groove है, this groove is for flexor hallucis longus tendon. This groove is for flexor hallucis longus tendon. ठीक है. So this is about calcaneum, then talus, and this one is articulating foot. ठीक है, articulated foot.